Okay, we're at the main trailhead for Indian Point. Total length of the trail, as you can see, is 2.7 miles. This part of the trail is, I think, a half mile is all it is, but the trail starts back up around the campground. Okay, Miss Kitty, you ready?
I'm ready.
Yep, it's going to be a pretty short hike, so it won't be too bad, but it's going to be really pretty on up here, so be sure to hang with us and watch to the end of this video. See you in a bit. Okay everyone, so we made it here to Indian Point, and this is the end of the trail. We're on Pomme de Tar Lake. Oh, I think, Miss Kitty, it's pretty, ain't it?
That's real pretty. There's an island.
If I can zoom in for everybody to the island. Windy as can be out here, but there's still quite a few boats here and there. And then Pomme de Tar Dam is way over there. So all of that over there is the dam.
This is where two rivers meet or something.
Oh yeah, again, it's a really beautiful day in November down here. This is a really awesome trail to take from the trailhead to this part of it to here. Like I said, it's only half mile, so it's definitely not that big a deal to get down here. They had a storm come through here at the beginning of this year that done a lot of damage up through here that they got all cleared out, so may try to do just a short video back through there.
Show them the rocky formation.
Definitely windy today. Oh. Hey, do you mind if I film you for just a second? I've got a YouTube channel called Missouri Clark Life.
Really?
Yeah, and I just wanted to do a quick video. How you folks doing?
Check it out.
Alrighty. Yeah, we got some people down there fishing. Look like they're having a pretty good time. Had any luck?
No, it's been real slow.
Has it?
Yeah, there's a tournament guy out here earlier. He said he was finding the same thing.
Oh yeah.
There's guys.
We actually thought about going fishing today ourselves, and we decided we'd get out and do a video for our channel, but it's called Missouri Clark Life, so if you get a chance, check it out, give us a thumbs up or something. Appreciate it.
Okay, we sure will.
All right, take care. Good luck. Even got their little puppy with them. Alrighty, folks. Well, we're going to head back up to the end of the trail, or back to the beginning of the trail, and go to the truck and head back home. So I hope you enjoyed this video with us.
Bye, guys.
So Kevin and Miss Kitty out.